Okay, y'all, so jumping straight into the video, I'm going to be installing this wig from Lemoda Hair. I got this wig from Amazon, 26 inches, and I think it's 180% density. This is the packaging that it came in. The wig was pre-plucked, and that was it. And I really did like that because I did not have to pluck this wig at all. And it also came with some HD wig caps, which we love HD wig caps over here, okay? So now I'm just gonna take the wig up out of the package and let y'all see what it's giving. Like, I really love that I did not have to pluck this wig, okay? The only thing that I had to do was customize the frontal and the inside, and I will say that the lace bleaches extremely well. Like, this is one of the best bleachings that I've ever gotten. I did not record the bleaching process though, and as you can see, the hair has some static. Basically, this hair was like less than $200 for 26 inches, so they do be having a little synthetic fibers in it. But this is the hair after the bleaching, the straightening, and everything. And I'm just gonna take my HD wig cap in dark brown, places over my head. Y'all, I was trying to fit it to see if I wanted to do the ball cap method, but I ended up not doing it, and I'm just gonna place the wig on my head to see where I need to cut, where I need to place my part, and all that stuff. So now that I've parted the wig, I'm just gonna take my wax stick and my hot comb to get this flat as possible, you guys. And when I say this hot comb was hot, like I was feeling it through the cap and the wig. It was real hot. So be careful when you are doing this so that you don't burn yourself, because that steam is no joke. And I don't know if y'all gonna see me flinch, but I was flinching a little bit. This is when I decided not to do the ball cap method. So I'm just gonna pull this wig cap back and place it behind my ears, you know, get a perfect fit. Try to cover up my edges as much as possible. Y'all probably gonna hear them in my background. I hate that, but I'm also gonna cut the ear tabs off to get a perfect fit around my edges. Oh, I forgot about this bye bye lace grid. You guys need that. I place it in my wig like this, and it just gets rid of the knots and things like that, and gives you a fake scalp in the inside. So once again, I am fitting the wig to my head, making sure that I still got my part in the middle, and you guys are going to see where that lace grid stops and where the cap starts and stops and everything like that throughout this video, but it's going to get fixed, okay? So trust the process. But right now I'm putting on this lace glue that I got from TikTok shop. I forgot the name of it, but I will be sure to place it on the screen. I'm gonna do 2 layers of this glue, and you know that it's dry once it dries down clear. So I put my second layer on after it was like 95% clear. And don't worry about them little white patches, y'all, because they're going to dry. I just don't want the entire thing to be completely white. And then this part really is self-explanatory. You just place the wig down, put it on. I like to comb it as well, like make sure that it's really fitting. Now, once we got the wig on, we want to band, okay? We don't band for an hour over here, but we band for a little while. And then I take it off and I cut too far up. I cut too far up, but I did not notice until I was getting ready to cut. So y'all see, it's literally a split in the middle of my wig. Hilarious. But anyways, I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and I'm just placing the, I think the darker shade, no, the lighter shade on the lace to blend. This is the shade RD16, I think, and just placing it on there. And you guys can see that I also did not use enough glue, but we're gonna go back over, we're gonna fix all of this. Okay, trust the process. So now with the same brand of glue that I use, I'm going to go in with their melting spray, and I'm just going to spray this around the perimeter of the wig just to help everything melt, everything blend. And I like this melting spray, but I don't know if I have a defective bottle or not because it does not spray out. I don't like the way that it sprays out. It just runs down my face. So, but I do like this. All right, so it's obvious I was liking what I was seeing. I haven't had my hair done in a long time, y'all, so I did not know how to act. Okay, so forgive me. Anyway, next we're going to go back over the wig, the lace, whatever, with the same foundation, but this time I'm going over it with the darker shade to kind of match my skin tone more and to kind of give a little bit more scalp action. This was also my fix to seeing the wig cap right there, to just place some of that same foundation inside of my part. All right, so next we're going to be taking this heatless curl set to give my hair some curls because I always have straight hair. I just wanted to try something different on camera, but I was having trouble with this. I eventually get it though, but I was having so much trouble putting this on my head, y'all, and I still don't think I had it on 100% right, but it don't matter. I still got my curls. Now that that is done, we can go to bed because I did sleep with this overnight and it did stay in place. It did a really good job staying in place. So I'm gonna wrap this up until the next day. This is the next day and what they are looking like. My curls were kind of giving like loose beach curls or something. I don't know, but they were cute or whatever. Also, excuse the stuff in the background. It was Christmas Day, y'all. All right, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy this install. I really do love this hair and I would highly recommend it. So I'm going to place the link down below so you guys can get you some from Amazon. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel so you are a part of our family over here and you never miss when I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.